So, what is your take on digital marketing?
Okay, what do you refer to as digital marketing?
Online marketing.
You're saying online marketing? I think online marketing today has become the single most important tool. As an institute ourselves, we rely almost 80% of our results come from online marketing. So we very strongly believe online marketing is the future, because as more and more people get connected, they have phones, they have all kinds of internet devices. Marketing is less going to be what I read in the paper. It's going to be more, what do I get on my phone? What do I get on my internet? So internet marketing and digital marketing is the future actually.
So, how is it helping you into your field?
In our field, all our students, because we are a digital institute, all the students who come to us are also digitally minded. They see their phones, they see Facebook, they see stuff like that, they see Google, and so our students come from online marketing. We have very few students who come by, say, doing Just Dial or reading newspapers. So slowly we realize that all the students who are important to us, they're coming digitally, because that's the space we are in. So, okay, you could be in some old space. For them, maybe digital marketing is not important, but for all new media stuff, digital marketing is the most important thing.
Sir, in India, still people prefer offline more, face-to-face talking. Online is still not.
See, online is not a replacement for face-to-face talking.
Yeah.
What does online do? Online is my first point of contact. I see Facebook, I see the website, I see Google AdWords or whatever. I come to you. It's marketing, it's not sales. See, the difference is when I talk to you or when you talk to me, you're trying to sell me something. Sales is still face to face. Very rarely does the person look at your website and say, okay, I'm buying it. That happens if you're in Amazon, or it happens if you're in Flipkart, but it doesn't happen for many things. Many things, it leads the person to you. The person will still come, he'll check you out, and then he may buy from you depending on how well you convince them. But that customer is not going to come to you if you don't have digital marketing.
Right. So then what kind of soft skill or skills a student needs to have to get into a field, or what are the specific skills you look
for digital marketing? Actually, I think the most important thing for digital marketing is that you need to be able to socialize on the net. I think digital marketing is slightly different from regular marketing, because in the old days, marketing, like I put an ad, it's like one to many. It's like broadcasting. I put an ad on TV or I put it on a newspaper. It's one to many. A lot of stuff on the internet is actually one to one. I need to make the connect to you. Though I'm not making a connect to you or somebody like that, I'm trying to make a connect to somebody on a personal basis. So the advertising is a little more personal. I mean, this is not true for things like, how do you place your Google AdWords or things like that, but it's very true for other kinds of stuff, like Facebook and stuff like that. It's very personal oriented.
Sir, and nowadays there's a lot of hype about globalization. So many people say the sole reason for globalization is digital marketing, because it helps people to get connected, like social networking.
You're totally right, absolutely. What's happening is the internet has made us a global village. And when you talk about digital marketing, you are talking about the internet, because everybody is on the internet. Whether it's an email, whether it's Facebook, whether it's LinkedIn, whether it's any kind of other marketing tool, the common factor is internet. And if I have a phone, like I have an iPhone, I can buy a product from somebody in America. I don't even know him.
Yeah.
It's an app, I could just buy it from him. So same way, if somebody is there in America and I have a product here, I may never know the person. Through digital marketing, the person can buy something from me. So it's made the world into a global marketing village. And that's what digital marketing has done.
So nowadays the institutes are basically very theoretical. They are not into practical world. And
not all institutes are like that. We are not like that. But we don't teach digital marketing. We teach other stuff. It's for the institute. Institutes traditionally have been more theory oriented. Those kind of institutes are likely to die out. Institutes have to be practice oriented. Nobody has time for just learning theory.
So, thank you so much, sir, for giving me
Okay,
your valuable
thanks.
time.